Hello, welcome back everyone. So in this particular video, so we are going to see a CV shortlisting automation workflow which is created on A-Net platform. So basically the idea here is to read the CV. Okay, so to read the job applicant CV, like for example, let's say this is a candidate which is trying to apply the job, okay, and trying to send the CV to the company email ID. Okay, so this is the CV which has experience details, skill sets, and career history and education history, roles and responsibilities and all. So basically the candidate is what he is trying to apply to the position by sending CV as a attachments to the company email, company career email ID. Okay, so let's say for example this is the email, so which let's say this is the email which is received from the candidate. Okay, dear sir or madam, I found a relevant position from your career website. I am forwarding your CV now, forwarding my CV, please consider. So now here the big job is like the candidate, the HR team or HR people has to come, check, open the CV, check whether the candidate has the relevant skill sets and all. So this is a very tedious job to screen the candidate, initial screening the CV of the candidate, and shortlisting that particular candidate based on the skills. Okay, based on the skill sets, education, career history, total experience, relevant experience. So for this only, so I have made a very beautiful workflow where as a first step, candidate send the CV, like Gmail trigger, where as soon as we get the candidate from the, I mean, CV from the candidate, so that's the Gmail trigger. So basically what we try to see here is, if you can see, basically just trying to get the trigger of that email, and just after trying to get the trigger, you can see here. So let's say candidate has sent, so I got the CV PDF. Currently in this flow I'm just showing the PDF format only, I mean the PDF format CV. So later we can handle by based on the switch node. Okay, if we get the PDF, that's the flow like that. So for example, now we got as a trigger, we got the CV. Okay, then what we are trying to see, like we got the CV from the candidate. Now we are just trying to upload this CV to the uh, our company portal, or let's say Google Drive. Okay, for example, if I execute this step, you can see like this particular candidate CV has been uploaded to the Google Drive. Okay, based on the file type, candidate file type, file name. Okay, so as a part of this node, the next what we are trying to do is, what I'm trying to do is like downloading that particular file. Now let's say candidate has uploaded. Now I want the content to read what exactly is there in the CV. Okay, for example, if I execute this step, again it's a very simple, like we have to give the Google, we should have the, from the Google cloud, we should get the client credentials and secret key, and we have to add the drive from the API services. Okay, so like let's say now I got the data from this. So this is the file type, this is file name and file type, which has a 14 kb. So I got this. This is just simple configuration. You can see once we add the node, we have to select this parameters, like file operation is download. By passing the ID, I'm just passing the ID which I got from the previous node. Okay, this is the ID which I am just straightforward forwarding to the previous node. So next what I am trying to do is, as a part of this node, I am trying to read the content from the PDF. Okay, it's just another node. You can see here, you can see here just another node which we have to add it's like extract node, which is basically passing the same data as a parameter and reading. Okay, so if you execute this step, you can see here, like I extracted all the data. You can see here, now I have all the data from this CV. Okay, is the extraction step. So next what I am trying to do after extract is getting the basic info as a part of this. Okay, getting the basic info, like for example this is again extract extract node where I'm just passing this previous data to this parameter, and I'm just giving the JSON schema like name, email and contact. Okay, so this I am just trying to give so that I can get the output. For example, if you look, if I try to run this as a part of this node, I'm just extracting the basic information like name of the candidate, email and contact number of that particular candidate, which is which sent the CV to our career email ID. So yeah, so this is all about this node. Then what I'm trying, once I read, I'm just at the same time to read, to extract this particular data from that entire text, I'm just using this OpenAI chat model. So you can see here, just I'm passing the same raw data and I just we need to analyze, right? So just I'm using this model GPT 4.1 mini, okay, to understand that particular data and categorize the data as a okay, categorize the data. So the next, at the same time, I am passing the same content to the you know again to the chat OpenAI chat model. So here I have given the prompt. Okay, so if you can, like, if you look at this prompt, I'm just passing the prompt. If you can execute, you can understand, like, okay, what exactly is happening with this. If you look at this, okay, see, I got this, all the data from this, okay, JSON data. Now I can very well easily map all this data to this. So I have given the prompt. See if you can look at the user prompt here. Let me put it some big screen. Yeah, so this is the prompt which I have given to this model, saying like, this is the candidate summary. So these are the skill set, this is education and work history, and evaluate the candidate based on the input. Okay, my input skills are like, okay, these are the required input skill set, these are the required skill sets or JD or job description for this particular position. And you candidate must have Java, Spring Boot, like this as an example, and should have minimum 3 years of experience and should have a bachelor degrees. So this is the basically prompt. Based on the prompt, the chat model will, this OpenAI model will fit, okay, will tell me as a summary like whether the candidate is a strong fit, average fit or not a fit. Based on this is a simple prompt. I can provide this in the description, you can take it, or you can chat, you can email, sorry, you can comment me to get this particular prompt and all the related resources for this workflow, so I can make you available. So this, based on this chat, based on this prompt, the OpenAI model will give me the like consideration summary, like why this is candidate is a strong fit for this position and which has a relevant experience. And see, all the skill sets are matching, education is also matching, so it gives the final score as 10 out of 10. So basically I'm just trying to read all this information. Now I have all the information. As the next part, what I am doing is I am just merging the basic information plus the analyzed data from the text, and basically I am trying to club all this as a part of merge result. As a part of this node is just a merge result, I'm just trying to merge. Okay, if you look at here, I have all the information. I'm trying to merge everything. Okay, so okay, what happened, let's wait for a minute to load all this. Yeah, so basically I'm just trying to merge and I'm trying to get all the data. You can see if I show as a table, see I have this from that node, and from the other node I have this. I'm just trying to merge both the node. So what I'm just trying after that is I'm just writing all the data to the candidate screening sheet, let's say Google sheet. So if you look at my Google sheet, if I have available, I can show you. Where is that? Yeah, yeah, this is the one you can see here. Okay, as a part of this, what happened, yeah, see, as a part of this, I have the all the data which is I have written. Okay, candidate name, okay, candidate mobile number, then the extract AI skills, my AI suggestion is saying strong fit for this candidate, and AI summary is also giving like why the candidate is strong fit, and here the AI assigned the scores. Okay, so which I can see as a part of this sheet. And you can see also from the Google, I have this, and okay, forget the previous one. Okay, as a test I have uploaded, I mean the model has uploaded couple of previous uh, flows. So yeah, as a part of this, the CV you can see on the drive, and you can see this is the email. As soon as the email will get like this, the trigger will, the Gmail trigger will trigger, and write to the relevant sheet. AI will analyze the resume, and it will categorize, it will give the score. Now my HR job is very very easy. Okay, they were just like rest, like 80 to 90% of my work has taken care by this flow. Now I just have to call the candidate and just have to confirm. It's like no need to open the CV, write the name, email, get extract everything. So this is very, it's kind of automation we can say. So this is after that, even if you want, we can send the confirmation to the candidate by Gmail node, Gmail send email node, and we can also send a message to the WhatsApp. So due to some secret key issue, I have just disabled, deactivated this node. You can add your credentials, and you can try, and you can run the entire flow. So so yeah, so if you can see here, this is completely working flow where saving, analyzing, reading the content, extracting the information, analyzing, then merging the result, and writing to the data sheet. So this is all about this candidate, shortlisting candidate from the CV automation N8 workflow, guys. So this is very useful and can solve our lot of automate our a lot of work. So if you like, just do comment me. I will share this particular I will just share this particular workflow, the prompt. So that's it from this particular video, guys. If you like, please stay touch with my channel, so for more exciting content like this.